Welcome to Jiana's Joyful Learning.
Basic English conversation of this that.
Hello, Jiana. Are you ready for our English adventure?
Yes, Mom, I am so excited.
Today we will learn English in the jungle.
Yay, let's go.
Jiana, what is this?
This is a monkey.
What is this?
This is a frog.
What is this?
This is a rabbit.
Jiana, what is that?
That is an elephant.
What is that?
That is a tiger.
What is that?
That is a lion. Woo!
Kids, remember.
This is for near, that is for far. Bye bye friends. See you next time.